Hey you guys, so before I get into the video, I just wanted to share with you this packaging. Oh my god, like this box is so beautiful. This is from a company called Hairvivi, and I have worked with them before. So you get this nice sturdy box. Mind you, my package came in about 2 days. So as you guys can see on the box, you do get a couple of goodies. And inside of the box, I did receive 2 wig caps, a nice little card basically telling me all about my wig and the company itself. You also get a nice clip that definitely comes in handy, especially when you're ready to do those baby hairs, and you do get a comb. So as you guys can see, their logo is all over the packaging. It's on the box, it's on the paper. They really put a lot into the packaging and the storage of this unit. So I'm just gonna get right into this video, so stay tuned to hear what I have to say about this beautiful wig. Okay you guys, so I am coming on here to talk about this unit. Lord. Alright, so as you guys can see, this unit is the bomb. Hopefully I'm showing you guys either now or I showed you before I started talking. Y'all, this hair is so nice. It's not even so much the hair. The hair is nice too, but it's the wig, the construction of this wig. This wig is by Hairvivi, and I've worked with them before, so I know that their wigs are quality. First of all, let's just talk about the construction of the wig, okay? Like, this is a lace front, and I have it right here on my phone. So yeah, the wig name is Victoria Pre-plucked Lace Front Wig, and it's a straight human hair wig. Now, they do have a code, you guys, if you want this wig, and trust me, you're going to want this wig. And you're going to thank me. You're going to be like, Donna, I ordered that wig because of you, and I love it. I know you are, because I do. Anyway, so the code for $40 off is VD40, and I'll scroll it across the screen. And they just have a whole bunch of other codes. A special 15% off code, which is my name. I don't know why they did that, but my whole name is Donna Simmons. So that's your code, you guys, if you want $15 off of this wig. Yes, the knots are bleached to perfection. I don't know who the hell is over there in that department who's in charge of bleaching knots, but honey, you did that. If you guys notice, I don't have no baby hairs. This wig looks like it's coming out of my scalp. That's 1. 2, if you girls do not like, or guys, not discriminating, if you do not like to adhere your wigs to your head, meaning no glue, no tape, or anything like that, this is definitely the wig for you. I do not have this wig adhered to my head. I could, and it will, you know, stay a little longer, but there's really no need. This wig came with an elastic band already sewn on it. The elastic band is adjustable, so they made sure they thought that through. They didn't just sew on an elastic band and just assume that everyone can fit that. They made sure they put little fasten clips, fasten, is that the word? I don't know. Little clips on it. You'll see it when I show you, or if I already showed you, to adjust it to your head, to your liking, to your comfortability. And Lord, I'm not even using that. I'm not even using the elastic band that they sewed onto here. I'm just using the giant comb that's in the back, and I also use the adjustable straps that is actually on the wig. I'm not using no combs. Nothing. Girls, when I tell you, y'all know when I come on here and I start talking about wigs and everything, instead of just doing just a straight up voiceover, then you know that the wig is really, really nice. I love it. We're going to talk about the hair. If you guys are watching the video, you saw that I used this thing that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's called Luster's Renutrients Slick Stick. I've seen people use stuff like this in their videos before, and I'm like, what the hell is that? It's basically like a wax stick for flyaways, or if you just want your hair to be laid flat. This is really, really good. I could go in even more and make it even more straighter, but the hair it came straight already, so I didn't have much to do. All I did, from what you guys are seeing or you saw already, I just used my Irresistible Me curling wand just to flatten out the parting space, just to get that wiggy look out of it. And you guys, I love this unit so much. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to keep it. Sorry ladies, I'm not selling this one. I'm so sorry. Maybe, I don't know, but I might keep this one. I really love it. It's definitely a put on and go wig. Effortless. I didn't have to do much. Basically what you guys saw is all I did to this wig. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Now this particular unit, let me see the details. It's 18 inches long, so it's not that long, but actually on me, because I'm 5'2", it reaches like the top of my behind, so it's pretty long on me. If you're my height, then it's gonna fall rather long, but it doesn't look crazy. Like, it doesn't look synthetic. See? Then this is like the top of my butt, so this is where it's falling on me, so it's pretty long on me. If you're taller, of course, it's going to be a little shorter. The hair density on this wig is 160%. The hair type, meaning the origin, is Indian virgin hair. The cap construction, this is 5.5 parting space, and they put this part in it. The wig came parted already, but you guys, I showed you in the video that you can part it anywhere and it just looks so flawless. My lace color is light brown and the cap size that I have is medium. So ladies, if you're interested in this unit, all of the information plus coupon codes will be down below in the description box. So use those codes, get that money off, get you a nice bomb wig like this. Oh my god, like, it's just melted into my skin, and it's not even adhered to my head. So that's the beauty of this whole thing. I didn't have to do much, and I'm so happy because I have other videos to do, so I really don't have time to be gluing a wig on my head. I need something that I can just take off at night or take off whenever I want to and not have to worry about it. So again, check down below in the description box. Everything will be there, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.